my parents are going to be in for a big surprise because I'm going to make a simple light fixture update. As you can see, this light is pretty boring in the entryway. Let's see if we can work some magic here.
1 hour later.
Oh wow, Mom! This light is gorgeous! Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to Cargifak Crystal Ceiling Chandelier. So here I have everything unboxed and laid out. Here's the instructions manual. It's pretty detailed, guys, step by step of the installation process. But don't worry, I'll walk you guys through it. And it looks like got some gloves, spare parts, the wire caps, screws, and everything. And here is the mounting place and the base. Okay. Looks like some extra staples, screws, and here are the 2 sets of crystals. By the way, these are clear K9 crystals. It looks beautiful. This is the long one. These are the long ones, and another row is the short ones. Whoa! And look at how beautiful these are, guys. Can't wait to hang this up. And now let's take a look at the lamp itself. Okay, you got your white, black, and your ground. Green is the ground. Pretty basic. And it uses 2 of these E12 60 watt max bulbs. Okay, here's the translucent cover. I really love that gold finish. It's going to look beautiful in the entryway. Alright, so before installation, what I want to do is insert the wires through this pipe. So this is a little bit height adjustable that you see right here. You know, you have a little bit of height to play with depending on how you want to extend the length of the chandelier. So just put the wire through here, slide it down, and screw on tight down here. Put the wiring through the mounting plate, or actually this is probably called the mounting bracket. Thread it through this nut, slide it down, and this is where I can tighten it to the bottom, and this is what it looks like. As with any electrical work, turn off the main breaker. It's installation time. Let's go ahead and remove the old light. Okay, so you see the white with the white, black with the black, very simple. Surprise, there's no ground wire. Sure, you can reuse the old mounting bracket, but for instructional purpose, let's assume we're starting fresh. So I'm gonna remove the old one and put in the new one. It appears I'm wrong. There is a ground wire from the house. Okay. Alright, I have the new mounting bracket on. As you can see, held by the 2 screws. These 2 screws will, which is adjustable, high adjustable, just adjust the nut. They go up and down to hang in the light. So now I have the ground to the ground. See the white and the black. So now I'm going to connect the light, white to white, black to black, and then the ground going into the ground screw too. I'll be using the Hisashi Candelabra bulbs. These are 40 watt max replacement. These look beautiful, and it uses E12 base. So these are LED bulbs. See? Ooh, can't wait to turn these on. Okay, so this step, it helps to have another person to hold up the light. I'm going to connect white to white, black to black, and then the ground goes in with the ground screw coming from the house. Okay? And then we're going to put the wire caps on and some electrical tape. Okay, the wire's connected, the wire caps are on, electrical tape is on. Now I'm gonna push it in here, and then we're gonna go through the hose, and then we're gonna put the end caps on to do the final installation. So when we try and connect it, I discovered that these two are too short. So I decided to use the two screws that hold up the bracket to substitute for these two. My guess is whoever the factory worker is, they installed the wrong screws. The long one should have been here. We decided not to use a nut in case it's not long enough, okay? So it should work this time. I'm getting ready to insert the crystals. I'm just happy the lights work after all that work. Okay, so here's the short one. Insert it in the hole right here. All right. And here is the long one with a long slot. Oh, it's looking beautiful already, guys. All right, the moment of truth. Let's turn on the light. Hope it works. We put in a lot of work. Oh, yes! Finally! Wow, let me get a close-up look at this. Installation was fairly simple. It's preferred that two people install it, one holding up the light. And look at that, my dad helped me to install these beautiful K9 crystals. It adds another level of elegance and brightness. There you see it shining off the wall. You see that? See the reflection? Oh, wow. I really love that gold finish too. It's very elegant. I do wish it was a little bit bigger. It's a little bit on the small side, but regardless, it's still beautiful. I really love that brass gold finish. See how the light reflects off that? And I'm using LED bulbs too. Wow. How do you like it, Mom?
Oh, I like it. It's very beautiful.
See?
Very,
Mom approved. So if you are looking for the perfect
I like it.
crystal ceiling chandelier light, which is perfect for the entryway or high ceilings, definitely give the Cargifak brand a look.
Big party light.
That's right.
I like
We're gonna have a big party and can't wait to see people's reaction when they see this beautiful light.